In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize task cards in ClickUp. To get started, head to the main homepage in ClickUp and open the project you want to customize. This is important because task card settings are often most useful when you're working inside a specific project and want that view to match the way you and your team actually manage work. Once you're inside the project, switch to either board view or calendar view. These are the views where task card customization is especially visible and helpful, because the way each card appears can affect how quickly you scan tasks, understand priorities, and manage your workflow. After that, look to the top right corner and click Customize. This is where ClickUp gives you control over how your task cards and overall view are displayed. When you open this panel, you'll see several available options. There are multiple settings here, but for this walkthrough, we're focusing on the most common ones you'll likely use on a regular basis. One of the first settings to notice is card size. This lets you control how large or compact each task card appears. A smaller card size can help you fit more tasks on the screen at once, which is useful if you're managing a large list of items. A larger card size, on the other hand, can make cards easier to read and can help important information stand out more clearly. The best choice depends on how much detail you want visible at a glance. Next, take a look at fields. This option allows you to choose additional details to display directly on the task cards. For example, you can show information that helps you identify the most relevant tasks without needing to open each one individually. This is a great way to make your board or calendar more informative while still keeping it efficient to navigate. You can also apply a filter. Filters help narrow down what tasks are shown, so instead of viewing everything at once, you can focus only on the tasks that meet certain conditions. This is especially helpful when you want to reduce clutter and concentrate on a specific set of work. In addition to filtering, you can apply grouping and sorting. Grouping helps organize tasks into categories, while sorting changes the order in which tasks appear. Together, these options make it much easier to structure your view in a way that supports your process and highlights the information that matters most. And that's it. Once you've adjusted these settings, your task cards will be easier to read and better tailored to your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.